So in this video, I will be showing you how I cook Jamaican traditional curry goat. Yes, the famous curry goat of Jamaica. So what I love to eat this with is some white rice or rice and peas. Let's dive into it. Madonnas, thank you guys so much for reaching this far in the video. If you see this video, put up your hand, raise your hand. That means you watch it to this. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting my page. I'm going to give you a little history of how I learned to cook curry goat. So I grew up in Jamaica where I grew up with my grandmother watching her cook curry goat on a wood fire. And after I become an adult, I started to cook it, but I was using pressure cooker. I was 16 when I leave my grandmother, 15 plus going into 16. And after that, I basically was on my own. So I was cooking it myself. So, over the years, I kind of lost what I have learned from her. So I started to cook it my way and I wasn't enjoying it. But when I used to live with her, I never used to cook it. So I was just trying to remember what she did. But guess what? The skill was in me to cook because I've watched her so much time. And I was saying to myself, but it has not been tasted the way she used to cook it. And then one day, when I think it was like 2010, I reached out to my mother and I called her and I said, because she's a very good cook, I said, Mom, I watch my mother, I watch Mama, because I call my grandmother Mama. I watch Mama cook curry goat for years, but for some reason I've been trying and it's not tasting the way she cook it. Yes. And can you just walk me through it? And then she walked me through it, but I still did not get it. So I have a barbecue at my house and I wanted my mother to come and help me um, to cook for my daughter to go overseas to do track and field. So I was trying to raise money. And that's when she come and cook the curry goat. And everyone that had the curry goat was telling me to tell my mother to open a cook shop. And that's when I watched what she did. And then I turn around and I apply that to my pot. And I start to practice it that way until today. And I never change it again since then. So that is how my mother cooked it. And believe me, when I cook curry goat, I enjoyed it. It's delicious, guys. I'm telling you, when you learn a skill and you are enjoying it, you can do it all day, every day, and you don't feel sad about it. That's cooking for me. I love to cook. And that's the story of how I get to cook this curry goat. And I hope you enjoy this video. And I will have some little talk after I cook my pot and kind of explain how did I learn to cook those dishes. I will give you more stories on that. If you are watching the video until this, please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. And put your hands up if you're still in class. God bless and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.